Welcome to my channel. How to fix printer server down. Step 1. Check physical connections. Ensure cables and power connections are secure. Step 2. Restart devices. Reboot the printer server, printer, and network equipment. Step 3. Check network connectivity. Verify IP addresses and perform a ping test. Step 4. Verify printer server status. Ensure the print spooler service is running. Step 5. Check printer configuration. Confirm the printer is correctly configured and drivers are up to date. Step 6. Update drivers and firmware. Install the latest drivers and firmware for the printer. Step 7. Inspect network and firewall settings. Ensure firewalls and ports are not blocking printer communication. Step 8. Review logs and error message. Check server and printer logs for errors. Step 9. Test with another printer. Connect a different printer to isolate the issue. Step 10. Reconfigure or reinstall printer server. Reconfigure or reinstall the printer server software if needed. Thank you for watching.